Wow, check this out. Spring is here, the almond blossom is out, and I'm in the Santa Agnes Valley. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're all well, and greetings from another sunny day here in Ibiza. So this morning I am in the Santa Agnes Valley in search of almond blossom. Now Santa Agnes is just northeast of San Antonio. It's only about 10 minutes drive into the countryside, or the Campo as it's called here in Spain. There are other locations in Ibiza where you can see the almond blossom, places such as San Juan in the north and also around San Jose, but in my opinion the Santa Agnes Valley is the best spot for it. Now guys, I certainly am no expert on flowers, plants and trees, so I'm not really sure what information I can give you about this, but all I know is that every year at springtime, at the start of spring, almond blossom comes out and transforms the landscape here in Ibiza. It is only early spring, so it's only just starting to come out, but hopefully I can give you a taste of what it is like. And in particular, a shout out to Brian Benham, who's one of the subscribers. He sent me a message to say that he and his wife always come over to Ibiza this time of year to enjoy the almond blossom, but unfortunately because of all the travel restrictions he can't. So Brian, I hope this reminds you a little bit of what it's like. Okay guys, on that note, let's cue the almond blossom footage. Now we have a bit of a problem in the fact that I have just flown the drone into the tree up there 20 meters high, so I've got to come up with a solution on how to get it back. So this is the tree, ladder is on his way, and I don't know if you can see that, but the drone is just right at the end of that branch. So the next worry is it's going to fall out the tree and that's going to damage it. This could be a real stroke of luck. The grower, the crane, has just driven past this little country lane that we're in, and I've just flagged him down, and hopefully we are going to get it back. Well, very lucky there that the grower, the crane, was passing, and we managed to get it down, but unfortunately one of the wings is a little bit damaged, so I think I'm gonna have to send it back, but at least we got the drone back. Unfortunately I didn't get all the drone footage that I wanted to, but I did get some, so I hope that is enough. Okay, let's carry on with the rest of today's adventure. A little bit gutted about what's happened to the drone. Can't really get the footage that I wanted to, but I have remembered that I'd taken out a policy with Mavic when I bought it, so I'm hoping it will be covered on the repair, but we will see. But not wanting to ruin the day completely, we can't take any more drone shots of the almond blossom, but decided going to go to a place called Cala de Albarca, which is a cove just north of San Mateo. That's about 20-minute drive from San Antonio. It's still in the San Antonio region. And if I remember correctly, it's about a 40-minute walk down the cliff, down the hillside, on a track like that. And then once you get down to the bottom, you have this natural stone arch bridge across the sea. And then you've got a little secluded cove where there's a beach. So better get a move on. See you down at the bottom. Okay, made it down to the bottom. That was 30 minutes. And just check out the scenery. And now we have to get down there. And just there, you can see the stone bridge. So up there, that's where we have just come from, down the hillside. And then we're at the bottom of Cala de Albarca. Just down there, water looks amazing. You have a secluded cove where, I'm not going to go down today, but you can go swimming down there. Great spot for snorkeling. Huge cliffs. You can go to the end, to the lookout point, and then back over that way is where the stone bridge is. Okay, there goes Antonia. I'm not very good with heights, but yeah, I'll give it a go in a second. How high is it, Antonia?
Not too high.
You mean very high? Okay guys, on that note, I'm going to leave the vlog there so I can safely get back across the bridge. Just want to say thank you all for watching. If you could just drop me a comment, hit the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed and you're interested in seeing more vlogs about Ibiza, please do hit the subscribe button. Okay guys, see you all soon. Bye.